How to add or remove the calendar month widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, tap on Widgets at the bottom. Then from here, scroll down and expand Calendar. From here, we scroll down. In the month section, you can select a small, medium, or a large calendar widget. So here, select a widget and then drag it to your home screen, like so. Now, the reason that you can't add it because the screen does not have enough space. So what we can do is we can create a new page here, and then touch and hold, and then tap on widgets. Here we expand calendar, and then we drag in the large calendar, and this time there is enough space for the widget to be placed. After that, tap on the back key, and that's it. So we have now added the large calendar month widget to the home screen. Now touch and hold on the widget, and then tap on settings. In here, you can choose a calendar, so calendars to show, tap on that. From here, you can choose a calendar, select calendars. So in here, select your calendars that you want to use. So if you have signed to Google Calendar or other services, then you can select those calendars as well. And here you can turn on or turn off show handwriting. You can choose to show or hide the background, and then tap on saved. And that's it. If you want to delete the calendar, just simply touch and hold on the calendar and then tap on remove, and this will remove the calendar month widget from the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.